What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and I got something a little different here, man. This is actually a set of wireless Bluetooth earbuds that I got here. But they also give you some little accessories in the box, and this is different from anything I've ever used. Now, I've been actually using these regularly for phone calls and things like that. Now, my go-to earbuds are definitely the Jaybird Runs. These cost a heck of a lot more. These are $200 when I got them. They're on sale now, more than likely. But here's the earbud right here, and I'm actually wearing one because I've been using these for phone calls, and they are super clear, man. I mean, really, really good. You can control the if you touch. This is a just so you know, this is a touch sensitive area, so you can control your phone calls and your music. And you can see it's kind of pulsating right there. See that green light, blue, green light, till. Really nice. So that area right there is a touch sensitive area, and it's really nice, and it's very nice, simple. No buttons or anything, just a touch sensitive area on there. Now this right here is how you charge them. I think this is really cool. You put them in there, they're labeled. Everything will come out good on there. They charge really fast. This is also a power bank. This is a 1,000 milliamp hour power bank, this case. So the case hasn't ran out on me yet, and the earphones, these earbuds actually last a very long time. I'm actually surprised. I haven't charged them yet, but that doesn't mean that I'm using them 24/7. So this is a nice little cradle. Obviously, it's a lot bigger than, my Jaybird Runs. It's a different kind of setup. It's like a little eggshell. But still, this is a long, narrow setup right here. So this is really good. The earbuds are really comfortable. The sound quality on them is really good. No complaints. Phone calls, though, I got to admit, phone calls are absolutely good. I mean, really good. Now, as far as the fan goes, yeah, I don't know that I would use these, but you plug these in, and it says the fan can go for about an hour. It feels good, too, folks. And then the flashlight can go for about an hour, 1.2 hours, it says. Again, those are things that I probably wouldn't use. The earbuds, though, I definitely am feeling these, man. They're touch sensitive on the side. You touch it, I can turn on my music. I can redo a phone call. Like right there, you can't hear it, but I just started up my music. And the quality for the music is good. You tap it once, turn off the music. You know what I'm saying? It's a real compact size. Now, let me get my Jaybird Runs to show you the difference in the size. And you get some idea of what I'm talking about. See, the Jaybird Runs are a little bit bigger. They're a little bit bigger because they got that hook on there. But they when you face it from this way, they look like they're about the same. But the Jaybird Runs are still a little bit bigger. They might not have the sound quality of the Jaybird Runs, but they're still really, really good. And I just don't. I'm not going to tell you that they're not worth it at this point. You have to make a choice on whether you think something is worth it. I definitely would recommend you change out the buds on here, the tips, to get you some better quality, to seal off your ear better. I mean. But I found that normally when I buy earbuds, I change out the tips to a bigger one so it can seal off better in my ear. But these right here have actually sealed off pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with it. Overall, man, I mean, these wireless Bluetooth 5.0, IP67, touch sensitive, like I said. Again, it supports Siri. And they're really nice. I don't use them for like the voice Siri and everything. I'm not going to use the flashlight or the fan more than likely. However, for sports and Bluetooth, this is definitely a good look, man. It's another option out there. There are so many of these out there that you can get for like under $100, $50. A lot of them might not sound that good, but and a lot of them are not waterproof either, or water resistant. So these being IP67, I think you're going to like these, man. I mean, I'm not trying to sell them to you. I'll put a link in the description. I think they're unavailable right now. They're not in stock. I think they ran out of stock already. But it says you can get up to 32 hours with the case and 6 hours on a single charge and playback. So that's pretty good. You can charge other stuff too. By the way, if you look right there, you can charge your phone up. It's 1,000 milliamps. You know what I'm saying? So you can charge up your phone. It's a good look, man. I'm feeling this combination. The fan and the and the flashlight are just a little bonuses in the box, but all in all, the Bluetooth headphones themselves, they're actually really good. True wireless earbuds by Tiamat. These are the Force Sports wireless Bluetooth earbuds, man. Bluetooth 5.0, you can't beat it. It's really nice, and it's a power bank all in one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.